So thank you for both joining on a short notice. So we have a serious issue with the Virgin Hub device, so I need your assessment class.
Let's start with security. We detected an unauthorized access at 10:30 this morning. Someone exploited a vulnerability in our cloud server. So user test data wasn't fully stolen, but portions were exposed. So this is a major trending issue in cyber security. Lab devices are becoming sub-targets. So we need to patch the vulnerability immediately and add threaded encryption on all sync data.
So understood. Ren, what's happening in the engineering side?
This AI model is used to classify using commands as instructions. It's a combination of an outdated model and crash integration, something we see a lot of modern engineering due to fast release cycles. This is a complex system problem, not just a bug. We need at least 48 hours to retrain the AI model and run stability tests.
So we have security breach in a stable AI system. So if we have lunch now, customer could lose trust and the device might malfunction.
I strongly recommend delaying the launch since the data privacy is a serious concern and regulators are strict about breaches.
I agree. If the AI is misbehaved at launch, it could trigger false alarms or even lock users out of their own codes.
So alright, the responsible decision is clear. So we'll delay the launch, announce that we're strengthening security, improving the AL system, and give a revised timeline and once fixes are verified. So thank you.